Good day, everyone. Good day, everyone. You are welcome back to my online class today. So, we want to look at some of the functions that we have in Power BI. This function that we want to look at is merge, the merge function, and the append function. So that is what we want to look at today. So now let's start. So let's go and get the data. My data I want to use. Let me go and get it. Click on get data. So after that, show it's a Excel file. So I will click on that. Sorry. So can you see? I want to use this one, merge and pen with short. That is what I want to use. So I will click on it. So it's loading. So what the next thing is that I'm going to select those one I need. I'm going to select it. So I'm going to select it. So I need all this one, customer table, order table, sales February, and sales for what January. So I will click on that. So you can see everything that you click, you'll be seeing the preview. You see it here. You can see. So I still want to do some other things on this. So what will I do is that what I'm going to click on, you can see that now. So I'm going to click on transform data. So I will click on transform data because I still have some things to do. So click on what transform data. So once I click on that, so you wait for it to load. Now wait for it to load. It's loading right now. It's loading. So the system is slow. Okay, it's loading. So sorry. Still loading. So we have to wait till it's finished loading. Yeah. So can you see that? So we have loaded our data. Now, so the first thing we are wants to do here is that you can see we wants to merge our what our data. So we want to merge it. So what do we want to merge? We want to merge this custom table and what and other table. So we want to merge them together. What will merge does? Merge will allows you to do what? To combine more tables based on what? Two or more tables based on common columns. So we are merged now. So you will see that it's going to increase in what? In column. So it will increase it in column. For example, look at what I have in this customer table. What I have here, customer product and so what I have in other table. So with merge, you can combine you can combine the other table with what? With merge table. So based on what? On common column. So we are using the common column. That is what we have in what is which one is common column in the common customer table and what and the other table. So that's what we are going to use what to merge. We use the common column to what to merge it. So that is how uh we do it. I think we are getting that now. So now merge it now. So let's say we have one on customer table now. So we want to merge. So what do? You come here. Can we see? So we click on what? Merge query. Merge query. So once you click on merge query, let's see. So now, so customer ID, you can see customer ID. So this is the first table now. Then on the customer table, we have what? Customer ID. So we look at if we now look at the second table. What is second table? That is what? Order table. Now we now look at it. What do we have in common in this table? What do we have in common? So we have what? Customer ID. So we have what? Customer ID, customer ID. So that means we can use the customer ID to what? To merge this column together. So you click on this one, you also click on this one. Can you see? You click on this. So that means we click on both. That means both of them have been what? Have been clicked now. You can see that. Now, there is something here that we need to understand here. You look at this one, look at this one. Left out all first matching from second, all from first. When you see, that means this one means if you look at this, let's study this one. All from first. That means I'm matching from second. That means this is the first column. So it's going to select all the data from first, and the second one is going to select only those ones that match in the what? In the second column. So if it did not match with this table in the second column, it's not going to what? Select it. Look at this one too. This one says all from second. That means it's going to match everything in the second. Then we're now going to select the matching one, the one that match with the what? With this second column, second table. It's going to what? Select it. So this one now, all row from both. This one will match all the row from both. So I only pick the what? The first one. All from first. Can you see? All from first, they're matching from what? From second. So I will click on what? OK. I will click on OK. Now, once I click on OK, we can see what do we have here. So is see. This is what we did just now. So what do? You come here, this arrow, this double arrow that we have here, just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see customer ID is already there. So we uncheck it. So then secondly is that this one use original column name as if I click it, if I enable it, so what's going to bring is it's going to bring it like dot something. So I will also uncheck this one as well. So I check this one, so I will click on what? OK. I will click on OK. You can see that. So it's loading. Yeah, yes, that's good. So we have done that one. You can see. So we have done it. You can see that. You can see that this is what will bring. This is that other table. This is everything that will bring from that table to here. I think that one is very clear. So it brings everything from that table to here. That is what Maggie does. That is the work of Maggie. I hope that is very clear. So now the second one that I also want to explain is appending. What the margin now, look at it now. We have another column. This is one column, this is another column, this is another column. That is work of margin. Once you merge, it's going to create, so you can do it in different way. You can merge it to form a new query, a new table. But this one now we merge it to the existing table. So now let's see. Now let's see what we have going to have. So this you can see now column. So but appending when you merge is going to is going to join the rows. You're going to combine it in the rows, not in the column, unlike the margin. I hope that is very clear. So that is all it. So for the appending combines two or more tables by adding rows from one table to another. So it will add rows. So can we see now? So anything that you are bringing is what? You will add it to the row. That is the appending. But for margin, it will add it to the column. So let's start with that. I'm using this sales for February for appending. Now the same thing here too. The same method is being used here. So now go to your combine. Let me see. Select append query. Select your append query. So now, so what do we do? So we have two tables. We have two tables. So which what table to append. So which table are we appending? We want to append what? Says for January. So it says for January. You can see that. So can we well, just click on what? Okay. Can you see the difference now? So initially it was 3. So this one it added to the what? To the rows. But the margin added to the what? To the column. That is what the difference uh what call it, margin and what, and appending. I hope that is very what, that is very clear. So thank you.